When I can go to FS00, this
Yeah.
is not my company code.
Okay.
So I want to go to my company code. What do? I can click on change company code, give my company code DBY1, enter. Got it? इसलिए हम इसको
Yes, sir.
चेंज करते हैं.
Sir, so in that class, first you create general ledger, then change the company code.
Right. After creation of ledger, you can change company code.
Hmm. By
Okay.
simply clicking on asset account group and change company code, and then we have to put our company code and it will change.
Yes.
And how we can see that these entries are done in our company code, where we can see
मतलब नहीं समझा.
ये कंपनी कोड एसेट अकाउंट ग्रुप में सपोज हमने 3 एंट्रीज किया, सो
हम्म.
हमारे कंपनी कोड में वो एंट्रीज हमने किया है, वो चेक कैसे करेंगे, कहाँ पे शो?
आप लेडजर क्रिएशन की बात कर रहे हो या डेबिट क्रेडिट एंट्री पोस्टिंग की बात कर रहे हो?
मैं लेजर क्रिएशन की बात कर रही
लेडजर क्रिएशन, उसको एंट्री नहीं बोलते, उसको लेडजर क्रिएशन बोलते हैं. क्रिएशन हम यहाँ पे
हूँ. ओके.
एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे और यहाँ पे जो एरो मार्क है ना, एक्सपैंड इट. एक्सपैंड करोगे तो
हाँ.
सब दिखेगा ना.
ओके, द कंपनी कोड DIB ऊपर जो शो हो रहा है वो वहाँ पे दिखना चाहिए.
राइट.
ओके सर.
ओके. आई थिंक वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन द अकाउंट्स पेएबल आल्सो इन दिस. हमने ये टॉपिक किया था क्या, पेएबल्स?
Yes, sir.
For some students it's done.
Sir,
Ashwita,
Yes, sir. Just clarification.
No, sir. నేను ఇది నాకు కాలేదు సార్
not done.
అకౌంట్స్
No, okay,
పేయబుల్
okay,
ఉంది.
okay. Let me revise it
Hmm.
with accounts payable.
Hmm.
Those who have already done the account payable, tell me why we are doing account payable. What is the purpose?
Because we are purchasing the material, whatever should be, we are purchasing. So we have to do the payment to them,
Right.
to vendor. Like
Vendor.
we call them as vendors, or so we have to do payment. So that's why we are doing accounts payable.
Right. To do the purchase and payment process. Purchase and payment process. So we are doing the payable part. जहां से
Yes.
हम परचेस करते हैं उसको हम वेंडर बोलते हैं. ఎక్కడ మనం పర్చేస్ చేస్తామో దే ఆర్ అవర్ వెండర్స్.
Vendors.
We are doing sales. Who is that then?
Customer.
Right. Is it clear, everyone?
రిపీట్ సార్, కొంచెం బ్రేక్ వచ్చింది వాయిస్,
Yeah.
అర్థం కాలేదు.
If మనం ఒకవేళ సేల్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళు మన కస్టమర్, మనం పర్చేస్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు మన వెండర్స్. Now we are coming with the accounts payable first step, that is vendor account group creation. And what we are doing in vendor group, we are using this to control the vendor master fields. We are using to control vendor master. Then what is vendor master? Vendor master means one vendor. Vendor group means group of vendors. Vendor group means group of vendors. If I can control, if I can give the condition in vendor group, that condition will work in fifth step, vendor
Document.
master creation. Okay. Now we'll come to vendor group creation, OBD3. Select new entries and my vendor group. What is my vendor group? I am taking the vendor name, group name as SIBL. Siva group of vendors. Then double click on general data, double click on address, and where have you seen this kind of screen earlier?
Field status variant, sir.
Right. So remember this. If you are giving conditions in field status variant, where the conditions will work?
When we are posting the
In vendor master.
No. While posting
when
the
we are
data. फील्ड स्टेटस वेरिएंट में कंडीशन दिए तो పోస్టింగ్ में काम आता हो ఫీల్డ్ స్టేటస్ వేరియంట్ కండిషన్ ఇస్తే పోస్టింగ్ లో కనిపిస్తుంది we are giving conditions in vendor group so that conditions are working in vendor master. Now I am selecting name required and save it. Continue. Then double click on company code data. Double click on account management. Then I am selecting reconciliation required and sort key required. Save it. Right? Now I'm coming with a second step, that is vendor number ranges. So those who have already done, tell me what is the use of vendor number ranges?
We can generate from this vendor master number, sir.
Yes.
For number range to vendor master.
We can use this to generate vendor master number. By number ranges, by using this number ranges, we can generate the vendor number. So that we can do it with xkn1. We can check it here and we can use it. We can check and we can use. Come to xkn1. Okay. N1. Now, select the change intervals. Once. Select the second option, change intervals, and we can use one of the number here. Which number we can use here? Some of the number which is in lengthy number. And I can use 11.
14, sir.
Is 25 all zeros,
14
25 all
also
nines.
we get.
क्या बोले?
14
14 also we can take. 11 also we can take. Okay. Now I can come back and I'm coming with third step. Assign vendor account group to number ranges. Okay. Assign vendor account group to number ranges. Now, second. Coming with Assign vendor account group to number ranges with OBAS. Position. We are taking account group here, and our account group is Shiva. And I'm going to assign the number range is 11. Done. Now I'm coming with general ledger account creation. We need 3 accounts here, which is bank account, purchase account, reconciliation account for vendor. And I'm coming with the first account, bank, that already we created, I think. And we are coming with the purchase account and reconciliation account. Coming to FS00. Shiva, which company code we are using? Shiva, Sweta.
Dev, sir.
Which one?
Dev.
Dev. DB1.
No, only Dev.
Kadu. ఇందులో చేద్దాం. We have bank account already existed. You can create purchase account. Click and create. Take this.
Purchase account is already there, no, sir?
Yes. Purchase account is already there. How to create it, I'm showing you. With P&L,
Yeah.
expenses, purchase account. And the condition is line item selection, sort key 001. And field status group will be G001. Right. I can save the data. And next is reconciliation account that I can create it in liabilities. Click on create. And liability, balance sheet, reconciliation for vendor. New condition we can take it, that is reconciliation account type will be vendor. And line item selection, sort key 012. And the third option will be G067.
Sir, why we take G067?
This is reconciliation
sir.
account
Is it-
related field status group.
It is by default, sir, it is.
We have to give. That is condition, standard condition. Earlier we give the G001. That is standard for general. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
this G067 is standard for reconciliation.
Okay.
Then, now I can create vendor master. So what is vendor master? It is individual vendor, one vendor. I can create with XK01. Taking a company code and account group. Account group is SI VA. Now we can press enter from here. Then I'm taking a title as company name. It was steel industry, steel vendor. Maybe you can observe one thing as why this name is required here. Why it is required symbol here.
So because in vendor field status variant we have
Not in,
on required.
not in.
We have given required surname.
We रीमा, आपकी आवाज पूरी ब्रेक हो रही है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. See here, we selected the name required in vendor
Sir,
account
in
to
vendor
be
account,
today first step. Okay. I'm giving the name as Shiva Steel Vendor with street, house number, postal code, city, country, and region. And PO box postal code, the mandatory details we filled here. Then you need to click on next screen 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I can give the reconciliation account which I created. 1001. And short key will be 012. Cash management group. If this vendor is within the country, we can take A1, domestic, and foreign will be
A2.
A2. Taking A1 and save the data. ये नंबर कहाँ से जनरेट हुआ? कौन सी नंबर?
Vendor
From
number
vendor number range.
Yes, you're right. From vendor number ranges.
Sir, in that, in my practice, I have given that religion is wrong, sir. 1, 2 I have taken. 12 I have taken. Actually, I want to give 10. So it's till
Doesn't
now I
matter.
not get any error.
Don't worry, don't worry. It's fine. Okay. Now, coming with the next step, document type number ranges for OBA7, KR and KZ. KR is for vendor invoice. KZ is for vendor payment. Now, I'm coming with OBA7. We can double click on KR. KR means vendor invoice or vendor purchase. KR standard number is 17. Select number and information, company code, and my company code is YUN1. Select change intervals. Select insert line. You're already there, 17. Here, from number to number, you can give and save. Next, come back. We need to get number ranges for KZ. Double click on KZ. 14. Number range information. Company code. Change intervals. Insert line. Giving 40. Financial year. And what is the biggest number in the screen?
600.
600. 6012. 700. Continue. Right? So we created document type number ranges. Then I'm coming with next step, that is tolerance to vendor. So we already discussed about the tolerance of GL and employees. Tolerance of GL, tolerance of employees. Anyone can tell me the T codes? Tolerance for GL.
OB is 0, tolerance of GL. Tolerance of employee OB A4.
Right. Very good. And tolerance of vendor and customer is OBA3. Remember these 3 T codes together. Easy to remember. Coming with OBA3 now. Now you can select new entries, give your company code, and give a description. Tolerance for YUN1. On company code level, we are giving. You have two more options, which is gains and losses, revenue and expenses. Gain is comes under vendor or customer. Gain means profit.
Vendor.
Yes, sir.
Okay, gain means profit. When do we get profit? When you can do sale, we will get profit, or we can do purchase, we can do profit.
When we do sale.
Yes, sir.
Sale. We can do sale to get profit. So sale, gain and revenue is customer. Loss and expenses is purchase. Purchase करेंगे तो पैसे जाते. Purchase చేస్తే డబ్బులు పోతాయి. That is your two things. So we are putting blank here and we can save it. Right? This is about a tolerance of vendor. Now you know about the posting keys. 2531 vendor, debited, credited. Now I'm coming with the purchase invoice posting. So 100% they will ask in interview, what is the entry of purchase? Purchase invoice posting entry will be purchase account debited to vendor account credited. And the T code is F-43. Come back. You can take the date here. Here I am taking the vendor account. So taking the vendor here, press enter. I am taking amount here, text, purchase invoice posting. First screen was credited, second screen is debited. So debit is GL account, purchase account. So I am taking here purchase account 4,000. Then press enter from here to go to third screen. We are giving star and plus. Enter. Simulate the data. Now I can quote it. Right? This is my purchase invoice posting. I purchased from here. And I can check the due because I need to pay to the vendor. So we can check the due with FBL1N. We can check the due in FBL1N. Vendor account, company code, and select the open item selection. Execute the data. Right? Now, if it is due, it is showing as a red mark. If it is cleared, red converts to green. Okay. Then you can see here amount will be 1000. If it is cleared, it will be cleared as a 0. Now we can do the payment to vendor. Now we can do the payment to vendor with F-53. And the entry will be vendor to bank. Vendor debited, bank credited. Bank account, amount, vendor account, press enter. Text is required. Done. So whenever I can do the payment, my condition is first amount and second amount should be equal. Third amount should be 0. So you can post the data. So now I can post it. अभी पेमेंट क्लियर हो गया है क्या चेक करेंगे पेमेंट क्लियर అయిందా లేదా చెక్ చేద్దాం కమింగ్ టు FBL 1N okay vendor company code and execute the data it's cleared so select the cleared item execute clear అయిందా is it done
Yes, sir.
yeah so remember this if it is showing green means cleared and balance is 0 this is total amount is clear and try to complete the practice but these topics around 2 to 3 times because our main
Okay.
concept of jobs is on payable and receivable immediately you have a jobs on that okay ledgers basics are main part to work in SAP you should know these things first all right everyone
Yes, sir.
anyone having any doubts errors
Sir, I have sent to WhatsApp now, sir.
1 minute
That
put me
screen
high
is logged.
data lock
Yeah.
ఒకసారి హై పెట్టండి
One second.
రుద్ర మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను కదా డేటా లాక్ అయితే ఏం చేయాలి
ఎప్పుడు సార్ చెప్పలేదు సార్
ఎన్ని క్లాసెస్ అయ్యాయి 1 minute ఐఎమ్ సెండింగ్ యూ దట్ unlock yes Rudra 7 p.m 9 p.m అందరి పంపిస్తున్నా చూడండి ఎలా అన్లాక్ చేయాలి I have given it small recording for that
ఓకే
look into that okay yes
ఓకే సార్
chalo then we'll connect tomorrow also guys same time connect tomorrow
ఓకే సార్
and try to complete the practice okay
సార్ టుమారో
Sir,
ఇంట్రెస్ట్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ టాపిక్ again repeat it, sir.
which one
Interest calculation topic.
okay we'll revise it
Okay.
okay
Sir,
tell me
hello.
tell me
Sir, so far we have like done the almost 10 or 12 topics. So
yes
is there any
yes.
topic that are interrelated to each other or that all are individual topics?
समझा नहीं मैं आप क्या बोल रहे हो
अभी तक हमने 10 टॉपिक्स पे मतलब प्रैक्टिस किया
किया
है तो
है,
सारे
okay.
टॉपिक्स एक दूसरे से रिलेटेड है या फिर वो एक इंडिविजुअल टॉपिक है मतलब
सारे
पहला
के
टॉपिक अगर हमने कंप्लीट नहीं किया
नहीं
तो
नहीं सारे के सारे टॉपिक एक दूसरे के साथ रिलेटेड होते हैं बेसिक सेटिंग्स रहेंगे तो आगे के लेडजर होंगे लेडजर रहेंगे तो पोस्टिंग होगा तो पोस्टिंग के बाद पेएबल होगा या इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेशन होगा एवरीथिंग इज लिंक्ड विद सम अदर वन
ओके
राइट अब आप कोई भी टॉपिक में चले जाओ कंपनी कोड चाहिए कोई भी टॉपिक में चले जाओ पोस्टिंग पीरियड चाहिए एवरीथिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड कोई भी चीज मिस नहीं कर सकते ओके
यस
चलो देन थैंक यू बाय एवरीवन बाय
Yes, sir.
okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Yes.